Welcome, dear students, to the Standard Ninth Algebra Chapter 3 Polynomials Part 5.
Let's recall what we have learned in the previous module. We have learned about index form of polynomial, coefficient form of polynomial, standard form of polynomial, synthetic method of division, and linear method of division. Now, in this module, we will see what are the objectives of this module. We are going to learn about value of polynomial and do the sums of practice set 3.4. What is value of polynomial? To find the value of a polynomial for a given value of variable, we have to put the value in place of the variable in each term of the polynomial. Whatever answer we are getting, that will be the value of polynomial. We will see an example. To find the value of polynomial Px is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5 for x is equal to 2. We will substitute x is equal to 2 in the given polynomial. Therefore, P2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 minus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5. So, we get the answer as 2 multiplied by 4 minus 6 plus 5. Now, after solving, we get 8 minus 6 plus 5. Therefore, P2 will be equal to 2 plus 5 and that is P2 is equal to 7. We will see another example. Example number 2. Find Px is equal to 3x cube plus x raised to power 4 minus x square plus 3 if x is equal to 0. So substituting value of x is equal to 0 in the given polynomial, we get 3 multiplied by 0 raised to power 3 plus 0 raised to power 4 minus 0 raised to power 2 plus 3. So P0 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 and that is P0 is equal to 3. Now if the value of polynomial is already given and we have to find the value of another term in the polynomial. An example we will do, value of polynomial m square minus am plus 7 for m is equal to minus 1 is 10. Then we have to find the value of a. Value of pm is equal to 10 for m is equal to minus 1. Substituting m is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial, pm is equal to 10 is equal to minus 1 raised to power 2 minus a into minus 1 plus 7. Therefore, 10 is equal to plus 1 minus a into minus 1 will become plus 1a plus 7. Solving on the right side we get 1 plus 7 as 8 plus 1a is equal to 10. Taking 8 to the left side, we get 10 minus 8 is equal to 1a and therefore a is equal to 2. The value of a is 2 in the given polynomial for m is equal to minus 1. Now we will do questions of practice set 3.4. Question number 1. For x is equal to 0, find the value of polynomial x square minus 5x plus 5. Solution. Px is already given as x square minus 5x plus 5. Therefore, substituting the value of x as 0, we get P0 is equal to 0 raised to power 2 minus 5 into 0 plus 5. Therefore, P0 is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 5. And that is P0 is equal to 5. Second question, if Py is equal to y square minus 3 root 2y plus 1, then find P3 root 2. Solution, in place of y, we have to substitute 3 root 2. So, P3 root 2 is equal to 3 root 2 the whole square minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 plus 1. Solving, we get the value P3 root 2 is equal to 3 root 2 square will be 9 into 2 minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. Again it will be 9 into 2 plus 1. We get the values of 9 into 2 as 18 minus 18 plus 1. Cancelling 18 and 18, we get P3 root 2 is equal to 1. Question number 3. If Pm is equal to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10, then find Pa plus P minus A. Solution, Pm is equal to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10. Substituting value of m as A, we get Pa is equal to a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10. And that is Pa is equal to a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10. Equation number 1. Now we will find P minus a. Substituting m as minus a, we get minus a whole cube plus 2 into minus a square minus into minus a plus 10. So P minus a is equal to minus a raised to power 3 plus 2a square plus a plus 10. So Pa plus P minus a is equal to, adding equation 1 and 2, a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10 plus minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. Cancelling a cube and minus a cube, minus a and plus a, we get 2a square plus 10 plus 2a square plus 10. So Pa plus P minus a is equal to 4a square plus 20. Question number 4. If Py is equal to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7, then find P2. Substituting y is equal to 2 in the polynomial, we get P2 is equal to 2 into 2 raised to power 3 minus 6 into 2 raised to power 2 minus 5 into 2 plus 7. So P2 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 becomes 8 multiplied by 2 minus 6 into 4 minus 10 plus 7. Solving from the left side, we get 16 minus 24 minus 10 plus 7. So we get minus 8 minus 10 plus 7. And that is minus 18 plus 7. Therefore, P2 is equal to minus 11. Practice set 3.5. Question number 1. Find the value of polynomial 2x minus 2x cubed plus 7 using the given values for x. So first value of x is 3. Px is 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Substituting the value x is equal to 3 in Px, we get P3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 2 into 3 raised to power 3 plus 7. Solving, we get 6 minus 2 multiplied by 27 plus 7. Therefore, P3 is equal to 6 minus 54 plus 7. We get the answer as minus 48 plus 7, and therefore P3 is equal to minus 41. Now, when x is equal to minus 1, Px is already given as 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Substituting x is equal to minus 1 in Px, we get P minus 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 7. Now, since minus 1 raised to power 3 is already minus 1, P minus 1 is equal to minus 2 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 7. So, we get P minus 1 as minus 2 plus 2 plus 7. Therefore, P minus 1 is equal to plus 7. Now, third question, when x equal to 0. Substituting value of x as 0, P0 is equal to 2 multiplied by 0 minus 2 multiplied by 0 raised to power 3 plus 7. So, we get P0 as 0 minus 0 plus 7, and therefore P0 is equal to 7. Question number 2. For each of the polynomial, find P1, P0 and P minus 2. Now, first question, Px is equal to x cube. We have to find P1, P0 and P minus 2. Now, P1 is equal to, substituting x as 1, we get 1 raised to power 3. The answer of P1 is equal to 1. P0 will be 0 raised to power 3, and that is equal to 0. Now, P minus 2 is equal to minus 2 raised to power 3, and the answer of P minus 2 is minus 8. Question number 2, second one. Py is equal to y square minus 2y plus 5 for find P1, P0 and P minus 2. So, P1 is equal to 1 raised to power 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1 plus 5. Therefore, it will be 1 minus 2 plus 5. So, we get P1 as minus 1 plus 5, and therefore P1 is equal to plus 4. Now we will find the value of the same polynomial with P0. So substituting y as 0, we get P0 is equal to 0 raised to power 2 minus 2 multiplied by 0 plus 5. So P0 is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 5. We get the answer as plus 5. Now we will find for the same polynomial as P minus 2. So substituting y is equal to minus 2, P minus 2 is equal to minus 2 raised to power 2 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 5. So we get plus 4 plus 4 plus 5. So P minus 2 is equal to 13. Third question, Px is equal to x raised to power 4 minus 2x square minus x. We have to find P1, P0 and P minus 2. Now solution, substituting x is equal to 1 in the polynomial, we get P1 is equal to 1 raised to power 4 minus 2 into 1 raised to power 2 minus 1. Then P1 is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1. So after calculating, P1 is equal to minus 2. Now the second one, as P minus 2 we will do, that is equal to minus 2 raised to power 4 minus 2 into minus 2 raised to power 2 minus into minus 2. So P minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 4 becomes 16, minus 2 into minus 2 raised to power 2 will become 2 into 4, that is minus 8, and plus 2. After solving, we get P minus 2 is equal to 8 plus 2, and that is equal to 10. Now we will find P0, that is substituting x equal to 0, the full polynomial will be 0 raised to power 4 minus 2 into 0 raised to power 2 minus 0. Therefore, P0 is equal to 0 minus 0 minus 0, and therefore P0 is equal to 0. Now question number 3. If the value of polynomial m raised to power 3 plus 2m plus a is 12 for m equal to 2, then find the value of a. Given is Pm is equal to m raised to power 3 plus 2m plus a, and Pm is equal to 12 if m is equal to 2. Therefore, P2 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 into 2 plus a after substituting m is equal to 2 in the polynomial. Therefore, P2 is already given as 12. We have substituted it as 12 on the left side is equal to 2 raised to power 3 becomes 8, and 2 multiplied by 2 will become 4 plus a. After solving, we get 12 on the left side is equal to 12 on the right side plus a. Solving, a is equal to 12 minus 12, therefore a is equal to 0. Now question number 4. For the polynomial mx raised to power 2 minus 2x plus 3 if p minus 1 is equal to 7, then find m. Given p minus 1 is equal to 7, to find m. Solution, Pm is equal to mx raised to power 2 minus 2x plus 3. Substituting x equal to minus 1, p minus 1 is equal to m multiplied by minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3. So p minus 1 is given as 7. We substitute it as 7 on the left side is equal to m into 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 7 is equal to m plus 5. Taking 5 to the left side, 7 minus 5 is equal to m. Therefore, m is equal to 2. Let's have a quick recap of what we have learned in this module. We have learned how to find the value of polynomial, and that is, for a given value of variable, put the value in the place of variable in each term of the polynomial and we get the value of polynomial. We have done practice set 3.4 and some questions related to value of polynomial from practice set 3.5. Thank you students. Have a nice day and study nicely.